Amigurumi crochet. Today we're going to talk about sloth crochet patterns. These adorable, very popular animals right now. Here's a little cutie one with some felt eye details. He has such a cute little hands and feet. And here's his little buddy. Oh, he's not that small. Look, he's quite big still. This one can actually hang from something. It's very nice. And this is a sort of a curtain hanger type of sloth. I mean, these animals were born to be curtain hangers, weren't they? So he has massive arms that you can tie up. Very nice. Look how cute he is. This is a bigger one that's more interested in cuddling. I love the color scheme with the light blue, sort of teal blue body and the brown eyes. He has a very friendly looking face, doesn't he? And he loves to play and cuddle and hang from stuff. It is a sloth after all. He's a cute fella. Look at him. I have a lot of pictures of this one. I must have really liked it. Alright. Oh, this is a cool thing to see. You can actually hang it with little hook tricks there. Ah, good idea. He's swinging from the trees, this one. Hanging upside down, as sloths tend to do. Very nice. You can give him little hooks on his arms or just make some Velcro or something so he can add them together. How cool are these eyebrows? I mean, let's talk about these eyebrows. They are so cool. Gives it a little bit of gravitas to this pattern. Look at him hang there. Hello. Is a itty bitty cutie one. Oh, it's a baby one with his mama. Mama's looking the other way. Hello, mama. Mama sloth. So cute. This one has very long arms and legs. You can probably put them anywhere. And I love the little felt face. That gives a nice detail. Here he is hanging. You can probably make some, put in some Velcro or something. He's a cutie thing. Another hanging one with a different kind of face. Very friendly, happy looking. And I like these little fellas with the eye and the nose higher than the eyes. And the little toes. He's a three-toed sloth, I think. I'm not a sloth expert, but apparently there are sloths with three toes. And here is a flat one, sort of a kawaii cuddler as they're called. Sort of stylized version of one, including the branch he's hanging from. It's so cool. Very nice and happy face there. Absolutely adorbs. That's the sloths for today. Difficult word for me to say, but very cute to crochet. And that rhymes. I hope to see you again soon. I wish you happy crocheting.